Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off crossplay in Black Ops 6, especially on Xbox and PS5. You know, cross-platform gaming has come a long way since its inception back in the early 2000s, particularly when it comes to connection latency across different video game platforms. However, there are still certain situations where you may want to learn how to turn off crossplay, especially while playing competitive first-person shooters like Call of Duty Black Ops 6. PC players are a lot more likely to use a mouse and keyboard than their console player counterparts, and can also benefit from true ultra-wide support. Then there's the issue of cheat software, which can give players an unfair advantage by enabling auto-aim or making certain textures transparent. Thankfully, console players can disable crossplay in this game to ensure that they're fighting on an even battlefield. Alright, to do this on PS5, players who want to turn off crossplay in Black Ops 6 will need to head to the account and network menu, which can be accessed by the game's main settings menu. From here, it's then just a simple case of pressing X or the X button while hovering over the crossplay option to switch the slider from on to off. Alright, unfortunately, on the Xbox side, the method for disabling crossplay is a little more complicated. Well, to do so, players should navigate to the settings menu of their console and then click on Online Safety and Family. From there, they should choose Privacy and Online Settings, Xbox Privacy, and View Details and Customize. You'll then need to click on Communication and Multiplayer, and then change this one from Allow to Block. Alright? That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.